Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for anatomy in medical school. To truly master anatomy, active learning is key. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Create your own flashcards for structures and functions, and consistently test yourself with practice questions. Drawing and labeling anatomical diagrams from memory can significantly enhance your understanding and retention, helping you visualize complex relationships. Leverage a variety of resources to solidify your knowledge. A high-quality anatomy atlas, such as Netter's or Gray's, is indispensable for its detailed illustrations. Complement these with online video lectures and interactive three-dimensional models to visualize structures from multiple angles. Most importantly, maximize your time in the dissection lab, actively exploring and identifying structures on cadaveric specimens. Adopt smart study strategies to optimize your learning. Divide large anatomical regions into smaller, more digestible segments, focusing on one area at a time. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing material regularly over several days or weeks to enhance long-term memory. Collaborating in study groups allows you to teach concepts, clarify doubts, and quiz peers, strengthening everyone's understanding. Always strive to understand the clinical relevance of what you are learning. Consider how anatomical knowledge applies to patient presentations, physical examinations, and surgical procedures. For instance, knowing the precise location of a nerve can explain a specific deficit. Integrating anatomy with physiology and pathology provides a comprehensive understanding of the human body, crucial for future medical practice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.